Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CNAT. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one, so let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. First level of support is what I would call the ideal level. Meaning if you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price could stay up here above $5.25. With that being said, what I'm not saying is that if the price drops below $5.25, then the entire chart's broken, the entire chart's ruined. That's not what I'm saying at all. I'm just saying if the price can manage to actually stay up above it, that would be a massive sign of power on the bull's part going forward. Taking a step back and looking at things from more so the big picture point of view, that is where the purple line down here comes into play, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, this line here is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move, this right here being defined as quote-unquote the move, just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that's what's being represented. Sure, yeah, staying above 525, that would be great. But grand scheme of things viewpoint, as long as the price stays above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? Pretty straightforward at this point in time. It's just simply where the party stopped today, and that's right up there at $5.60. So 560, public enemy number one going into tomorrow. All in all, though, any way you look at it, very nice day to day, very nice past few days. And as long as the chart continues to build higher bases like it's been doing, then everything else will take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So focus on those higher lows and sit back and let the trend do its thing. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.